Good day, everyone. My name is Grace Ogala. I bring you good news from Amazing Grace Health Center. The topic of our discussion today is overcoming diabetes through exercise. This is a very important topic because exercise helps in many ways. All right? And the song that we're going to be singing today to help us out with this topic is this our popular song, Shake Up the Beast into the Fire. All right? The song is Shake Up the Beast into the Fire. The light of God is burning in me. I know the truth and He has set me free. I'm going to shake up the beast and live a healthy life. Oh, yes. All right. So today we're going to shake off diabetes, okay? So we can live a healthy life. We're going to exercise to overcome diabetes. All right. So, last week we talked about the Garden of Eden, cruising through the Garden of Eden to overcome diabetes by eating healthy food. And the previous week, we also discussed about losing weight. And today, we're going to talk about exercise, which is a great way to lose weight and maintain healthy weight. Okay? As we know, exercise is let me just give you a simple definition of exercise. It is a structured physical activity that is planned and is repetitive in nature. Okay? It's so much, more structured, unlike activity, which is just like, voluntary movement of the body. It's not planned. As long as we can use some energy, it's called physical activity, like washing dishes, cleaning the house. Those are physical activities, okay? But with exercise, it is structured, it is planned, it is repetitive in nature with the goal of attaining physical fitness and overall well-being, such as, exercising on the treadmill. All right. You say, like, every morning I will exercise for 5 minutes on the treadmill. That is an exercise. Okay. If you tell yourself every evening I will walk the dogs for 10 minutes, that is an exercise. It is planned. It's repetitive in nature that you will do this for 7 days. You understand? And you have a goal of doing it. That's exercise. Okay? And there are different kinds of exercise. Right? So exercise, you can even swim. Swimming is an exercise. Yes. When you move those hands, wobble, 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 it's swimming exercise. That's what they call it. All right. And then, exercising on the stationary bike, just, pedaling the cycle and just, enjoying that bicycle. That's also an exercise. That's actually my favorite. All right. Just sit down there for like 5 minutes and just, pedal the wheels of my exercise bike. And it's really great type of exercise, okay? And also, you can exercise on the ellipticals. It's a very good one also for you. You could do your toning exercise there. Just, set it to whatever you want to do, and it's helpful. All right. The cardio glide is also very good. The cardio glide is good for abdominal workouts. It's one of my favorite exercise because I had problem with abdominal fat. So I needed to lose some abdominal fat, and that cardio glide really helped me out. So, okay, I just stay on it for about 5 minutes, just going back and forth, squeezing that muscle of my abdomen. And it has really helped me to decrease my waist circumference to 35, which is the acceptable waist circumference for women. And if your waist circumference is 35, it decreases the risk of chronic diseases. That is why it's so important to, focus on that abdominal section, okay? And also doing push-up, squats, and, those kind of push-up exercise that we do now. That's also helpful, okay? And also the treadmill, like I mentioned before, is a very good cardio exercise, all right? It's good for the heart, all right? And also taking a walk outside is very good, all right? Just maybe 10 minutes in the morning, 10 minutes in the afternoon, and 10 minutes in the evening, okay? It's very important for you to, go out there, get some fresh air into your brain. And exercise, okay? Important. Also, you can walk the dogs, like I mentioned before, and you can even go to the gym and exercise for at least about 30 minutes a day if you have the time to do so. I'm a single mother, I'm a working mother. I work about 6 days a week, and I have my exercise equipment at home. Because of this reason, and that is my own style. But if you can go to the gym, it's better. Like my children, they love going to the gym. Thank God for Planet Fitness. Teenagers are something. They have all the energy, okay? Praise God for that, though. So I would like to discuss the benefits of exercise. Exercise is very good, okay, because it helps with decreasing insulin resistance, all right? Let me just explain that a little bit before I go further. There are 3 organs in the body that are responsible for the regulation and utilization of blood glucose. And the 3 organs are the liver. The liver helps with regulating the amount of glucose we have. It stores the glucose in form of glycogen if we have excessive glucose in the body. And also when we starve ourselves, we don't eat enough, and we need the glucose in the body. The liver will also release the glucose for the body. So the liver is very important to the body. It controls the blood glucose level in the body. And also the pancreas is another one. It produces 2 hormones, essential hormones in the body, the glucagon and the insulin. As we know, the insulin is very important. It's the major problem when people have type 2 diabetes. You understand? With type 2 diabetes is insulin resistance, and with type 1 diabetes, you don't make enough insulin, or you're just deficient in insulin, okay? So our focus is on type 2 diabetes though. So the pancreas helps with regulation and utilization of insulin, of glucose, I mean. So the insulin, like I mentioned before, we decrease the blood sugar level if it's too high, maybe after we finish eating. And then the glucagon does exactly the opposite of what the insulin does. It will raise blood sugar, okay? So let's move on to the 3rd organ that regulates glucose in the body, and it's the muscle, the skeletal muscles of the body, okay? The insulin binds to the muscle receptor, all right? And then it allows glucose to get into the cells, all right? Because glucose is like the fuel for the body, the gasoline for the body. We need glucose. The brain needs glucose. Your body needs glucose. All right? So these 3 organs are very helpful. So guess what? With type 2 diabetes, there is something called insulin resistance, okay? Because when somebody is obese, overweight, it's too much fat in the body. And this leads to insulin resistance, all right? So it's not good. And it causes elevated blood sugar in the body. And that's why you hear me in almost all my videos saying, lose weight, lose weight, lose weight. Because if you lose weight, by 7 to 10% of your body weight, you will be on your way to overcome diabetes. In my other video, I mentioned that I was 258 pounds in 2021 when I was diagnosed with diabetes. But by the grace of God, I was able to overcome diabetes when I lost about 7 to 10% of my weight. You understand? So it's a good advice to lose weight. And to lose weight, you have to exercise. All right. I always advise the weightlifting exercise. It's very helpful with overcoming insulin resistance. You understand? So when you lift that weight up, lift it up, you will see that your muscle will contract. It will burn the fat. Okay? And then the resistance will not be there as much as it was before. Okay? And also the treadmill, jogging, exercise, all different kind of exercise also helps in reducing insulin resistance. Okay? So try your best to lose weight. You can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. Don't say, oh, I'm too lazy to do this. Discuss with your doctor. If you have heart condition, your doctor will recommend exercise for you that is good for you. Okay? Sometimes they can send you to go and do stress tests. Sometimes they send some people to see the cardiologist. But make sure you talk to your doctor before you get on an exercise regimen. Okay? And also, I advise that you don't do strenuous exercise. Don't overdo things, please. Do your exercise in moderation. If it was recommended you do 30 minutes of exercise every day, break it into 3. Morning, afternoon, and evening. And do it after eating, please. Don't go and do exercise when you are hungry. Don't engage in any activity or strenuous exercise when you have not eaten. All right? And when you are going out to exercise, make sure you have a breakfast packed somewhere, or some snack, or some dinner snack. Just go with something, please. And also have some juice in your bag, just in case if you become hypoglycemic. And also, I will advise before you start your exercise that you check your blood sugar. Please check your blood sugar before, during exercise when you feel weird, and after exercise, because the impact of exercise can be felt as much as 24 hours after that exercise. All right? So be cautious, okay? When you exercise, check your blood sugar. Be aware of the symptoms of hypoglycemia. We've talked about this before in other videos. Maybe just feeling so shaky, as if you are anxious, and raising heart, sweating, just things like that. You will know you are hypoglycemic. Your body changed from out of nowhere. When you have such feelings, please just stop that exercise immediately. Check your blood sugar and go ahead and do the needful. Okay? If you check your blood sugar, for instance, and it's below 70, when you are exercising, you need to quickly get, some sugary drink. All right? You can just get like 4 ounces of juice, sugary juice, Coca-Cola or something. Drink it to help your blood sugar go up. And if it's still not high enough, it's still below 70, please drink another one. And if you can eat something strong like bread, like slice of white bread or something, food, eat, please, to bring up the blood sugar. And I always advise, if you want to continue engaging in exercise, let your blood sugar be above 100. A little above 100 is fine. If you want to engage in exercise activities, okay? But don't overdo it so that you don't end up having a high blood sugar that you can't control, okay? Everything should be done in moderation. And if you continue to have these episodes of high blood sugar and low blood sugar, and your blood sugar is all over the place, please speak to your doctor. You understand? Write down everything that you see. and discuss with your doctor, and your doctor will know how to adjust your medications, okay? All right. I always tell you one thing, stitching time saves nine. Don't overlook anything, okay? With diabetes, you have to be very mindful of what you go through, okay? And that is the initial portion of this. The importance of exercise is helping to overcome the insulin resistance, okay? And if you can overcome that insulin resistance, your blood glucose will be within normal limits, below 200, okay? And also at the end of 3 months, when your doctor check your A1C, the A1C will also be good because you are exercising very well. And also, exercise help you to lose weight and maintain healthy weight. I told you that before because you have to maintain a healthy weight, and exercise has really helped me tremendously to lose a lot of weight. And I still exercise. I don't rest on my oars, okay? And also, exercise help you to lower the bad cholesterol, okay? And it increases the good cholesterol in the body. So you see, exercise is very good, and also it helps you to lower your blood pressure, okay? And if you exercise regularly, your blood pressure will be lower, okay? So you see, exercise is so good. And also it improves your mood. It makes you a happy person. When you go out there to take a walk, you see that fresh air will just get into your brain, and you will just be so happy doing what you're doing. Okay, and that's why I like taking a walk all the time. It's like, you like walking? Yes, I do. In the morning before I go to work, I go and take a walk. During my lunch break, I take a walk. When I come back, I also take a walk, even if it's for 5-10 minutes. I just like that fresh air in my brain, and it's good. It helps to prevent depression. You understand? And when you are stressed out, when just taking that walk, we just kind of relieve that stress. So it's important that you exercise, all right? The advantages of exercising is innumerable. It's good for you. It prevents the breakdown of your body. I told you last time that the body is a machine. So a machine, you need to, move a machine around and put the essential things in the machine for it to continue working very well. All right. So a word is enough for the wise. Exercise is very good for you, and continue to eat healthy, like I told us before last time. Because I'm learning too. It's not only you that is learning. When I make these videos, I learn a lot as well. Eat healthy, half of your plate fruits and vegetables, 1/4 of the plate is protein, and 1/4 of the plate is carbohydrates, okay? And don't forget to take care of your teeth. Brush your teeth regularly. See the dentist about 2 times a year. Use mouthwash. It's important to do that to decrease the bacteria in your mouth, and also reduce your stress level. If you have any kind of infection on your skin, you have some problems, elevated blood sugar from nowhere, please talk to your doctor in a timely manner, because any small infection with a diabetic can become something else. All right, let your doctor know so they can prescribe you the necessary antibiotics. And also, don't forget to take your vitamins to stay healthy. All right, and that's it for today. Okay. Next week again, I will post another video. We are healed spiritually and physically in Jesus' name. Stay blessed until we meet again. Be healthy and be well. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Facebook and anywhere you see my name. God bless you. Bye.